Alright, so welcome back to SouFLoTV, everybody. Today we say goodbye, or the world says goodbye, Earth says goodbye to J CAPRI. If you don't know who J CAPRI is, then you must not have been listening to dancehall, or you might not have been into dancehall music. J CAPRI is the young lady who sing Wine and Catch. That's probably our biggest hit. I'm gonna check Wine and Catch this 5 minutes ago before I do this video here. She did Wine and Catch with Charlie Blacks. I'm pretty sure. Let me look if I make sure something I talk thing is straight. Anyways, yeah, she did Wine and Catch with Charlie Blacks. She did Reverse It. She did Boom and Bend Over. She did Wine and Catch with Charlie Blacks. And she did one with Conscience called Pull Up to My Bumper. Alright. Over 30 million views on YouTube right now for Wine and Catch. So, needless to say, she was a star, and you know, it's tragic. She lose her life at a very young age. Now, I don't wish this upon no parents, but such is life, right? And things happen, as tragic as it may seem. Now, hear me say, I'm gonna approach this from a different angle, because I thought about doing a video and I thought about not doing this video about J CAPRI, because I didn't want it to seem like, oh, everybody I call up our name now, forget our forward. You know, some people try to, with tragedy there is publicity. And some people try to interject their name into it, just forget the hype off of the girl, even though she has passed on, a hype off our tragedy then. Alright? So, I'm not handing out no SouFLoTV flyers at her funeral, to put it that way. Make approach it from the SouFLoTV angle. Anyway, no long talking, hear this. 23-year-old dancehall artist J CAPRI, she was 23. Her real name was Jordan Phillips. She was involved in a serious car accident on Barbican Road early Monday morning. Today is Saturday, so Monday she in a car accident. Tuesday, Wednesday, me see it all over the internet, and me I say, alright, by Thursday somebody said she dead. Or by Wednesday somebody said she dead. Thursday her father responded and said, don't listen to those rumors, she's still alive. So I said, I didn't know the details, so I didn't do any kind of cover to it. And it did seem like a hoax to me, because that's what I was telling myself. You know what I said, damn, people do anything for fame. I probably want like a fender bender and then I beat it out like I want a serious accident, and watch how she's gonna make a big comeback from a serious accident and it's gonna propel. I'm so used to seeing these things happen from entertainers that I thought that's what it was. Forgive me, I was wrong. The thing did serious. Last night now, I get one link say, yo, check the internet, check that specific site here. J CAPRI, dead. You might want to do something on that. So I wake up this morning, I check it again. I see it. I check a bunch of other reputable sites and I see it's true. Alright? So, but I didn't wait to hear the family say something and our father send out something, so then I know say it's true. I approach the thing. Everybody are gonna say, yeah, J CAPRI, the girl will do this song and that song and that song. All those things are on YouTube for you to see. Just go look, just type in J CAPRI into YouTube and you're gonna see a whole bunch of things, our life's work. Right? What I was interested in then is the more morbid details of the story then, like when she crashed up in her, how the accident happened. Was she the only person in the car, or is a group of people in her car, then they in their party, a go party, was she wearing a seat belt, whatever. Alright. So there was an eyewitness on the scene and the eyewitness actually took pictures. I have them pictures there. These are the pictures that are going to be shown. Keep watching the vlog. Alright. So according to the eyewitness, the car flipped over during impact. The lady said, "I leave out of my house because I heard a lot of noise and everyone was outside. All I can say is there was blood everywhere. At first I thought it was a bike man. She thought it was a bike man getting licked. When we reached up to the car, it mashed up bad and our body was hanging out of the car." She continued to say them start to try to take her out of the car, but them did have problems. Like she's stuck in there. However, after a few attempts, they were able to get her out. After them take her out, they placed her on the ground. She was shaken up, me not even know how to explain it. She went on to say that she may have a few broken bones, but there was blood everywhere. Honestly, it don't look good. This is the eyewitness. But all we have to do is pray right now. I can't sleep. I just wait to hear something. I not even didn't know it was her, because the blood was all over and it all mixed up in her hair and all over her face and everything. If it's after she gone, I'm going to ask her who that. Them I say, it's an artist girl. Then somebody say, you don't know J CAPRI. A J CAPRI that. This is according to Keisha firm. Keisha, thanks for your statement. Alright? Because a lot of us wanted to know the details deeper than just, oh, she died. Or she met in an accident and she died. We don't live in Jamaica, how far we're there. So we didn't want to hear the details, as morbid as it may sound. Anyway, she said, this is the eyewitness on the scene, said she seemed to have been in the vehicle all by herself. She was the only person that was injured in this accident, and she was taken to the hospital immediately. Alright? So, and on the scene, she took a whole bunch of pictures, and of them pictures that y'all watch right now. Hear me say, was she wearing a seat belt? How her body hang out of the car? I don't know. Or was she trying to climb out of the car days after she got hit and the car flipped? I don't know. What she died from? Was it head injuries? We don't know. We're still await. All in all, we say I don't know if it's she's in a better place here, so but I guess she's in a better place. She's in a world of no more pain, no more worries. And they said, our thing did shot, and she's big in Canada and big in certain other places. She wasn't that big in Jamaica yet, but she was gaining, that star that was gaining momentum fast, right? And she had a lot of dates lined up for the end of the year, coming into the 2015, end of the year into the 2016. She had a lot of dates coming up, especially in Europe and in the USA. She was ready to go. And so to see her end so suddenly and so tragically, I'm not gonna say, boy, Master God have time for you here, and you have your hand on this thing, and everything's set a certain way already. I believe personally say everything is written. Meaning say set a certain way, so you just have to come, stand up, live your live, be thankful every day and do your best. Put forth the best work. Nobody now gonna forget J CAPRI because she put out a body of work there that was spectacular. You know what I said? And she really was a star. Although she never reached her full potential in our eyes. But Master God must say, our work here is done on earth and it needed the next angel, so I'm call her home. However tragic the ending is, the pain that was temporary, because as you can see, she's no longer feeling pain, she's no longer alive. So our condolences from SouFLoTV to the family of J CAPRI. And we're gonna left it right there, so yes, that's our lost another one. Alright people. And leave in the comments and thing and let me know when I have to step on the thing. Alright? Alright, we're up out of here. Peace. I keep that one here short.